morning, sir. Here is my topic: temporary drought or permanent desertification. The word involves image on the sun, tourists blooming over the abandoned farms, or some irreversible dark force. So, desertification. So, what is desertification? Desertification, which is the climatic variation and human activities, can be regarded as the two main causes the desertification: removal of the natural vegetation covered by taking too much fuel wood, agricultural activities in the vulnerable ecosystem of arid in the same arid areas, which is the two strain beyond their capacity. So, ocean acidification. Ocean acidification, OA, is a term used to describe significant changes so to the chemistry of the ocean. It occurs when the carbon dioxide gas or CO2 absorbed by the ocean and reacts with the seawater to produce acid. So ocean acidification, which is it can absorb with the seawater as a series of chemical reactions occur, resulting in the increased concentration of hydrogen ions. This increase causes by the seawater to become more acidic and causes carbonate ions to be relatively less abundant. And ozone depletion is the reduction of the protective layer of the ozone in the stratosphere by chemical pollution in the small amounts of ozone are constantly being made by the action of sunlight and oxygen. So ozone depletion are the thinning of the ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere. This happens with the chlorine or bromine atoms in the atmosphere come in the contact with the ozone and destroy the ozone molecules. One chlorine has destroyed 100,000 molecules of ozone. It is destroyed more quickly than it is created. So this is the ozone layer. So water degradation. So what is water degradation? In the misses of also pollution of water supplies is obtained by the individual truthness in the world hub to deal with either limited water supplies or polluted water obtained causes by the human actions. So mao na siya ang water degradation. So water degradation is the waste water substances can break down by the microorganisms, chemical or other oxidation, catalytic reaction, or by the physical and light energy processes. So this is the degradation water in the process. So description of the nitrogen cycle. More and more scientists are getting a better grip in the nitrogen cycle. They are learning about sources of nitrogen and how this element changes as the loops from the evolving. So description of the nitrogen cycle. So description of the nitrogen cycle, scientists have determined the humans are description of the alternating amount of the nitrogen that is stored by the biosphere, the chip of coal-tar and fossil fuel combustions, which release nitric oxides into their air and combine with other element to form smog and acid rain. So the effects of the human health. Human health impacts upon by the environment such as the pollution and global warming in turn affect human health. So, sa global warming ko na sir, human health is in health and environment, warmer temperatures and shifting weather patterns and can worsen air quality, which can lead to asthma attacks and other respiratory and cardiovascular health effects, which are expected to continue increase in number of severity. Other climate changes created smoke and other unhealthy air pollutants. So that's all, sir. Thank you.